Understanding Tube Replacement, an English Learning Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, tube replacement. This might sound technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will help you understand the meaning and usage of this phrase in everyday English. First, let's understand the word tube. In general, a tube is a long, hollow cylinder, usually used for transporting or containing something. Examples include a toothpaste tube or a test tube in a laboratory. But in some contexts, tube can have specific meanings. For example, in London, the tube refers to the subway system. Now, let's look at replacement. Replacement refers to the process of substituting something with another thing. It implies that something old or not functioning is being replaced with a new or better version. For example, replacing an old phone with a new one. When we combine these words, tube replacement can have different meanings based on the context. Let's explore a few. 1. In healthcare, replacing a medical tube, like a feeding tube or a catheter. 2. In transportation, referring to the maintenance of the subway system, especially in places like London where it's known as the tube. 3. In electronics, replacing a tube in old-style electronics, like a vacuum tube in a radio or TV. To help you understand better, let's see some sentences. The hospital scheduled a tube replacement for the patient's feeding apparatus. Due to maintenance, there will be a tube replacement on the Northern Line this weekend. My vintage radio stopped working. It needs a tube replacement. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, tube replacement, and how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, understanding the individual words can often help in grasping the meaning of a phrase. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to re-watch this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.